Hi there and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to learn a pattern first before beginning the letter. So I need all of you to start practicing this pattern. So I'll just teach you in a minute. So start from here. From the baseline, move up, retrace it down just like how we did the letter I. Leave some space, retrace it and back. So this is going to be the first part where these lines are parallel. You need to practice this again and make sure they are parallel and even spacing. See to that the base here has the same width of that on top. So I need you all to continue practicing this for one full line. So by now you might have guessed what the letter is. It's the letter U. Yes, this is a simple letter. The print form, this is how you write the letter. So we're going to continue the same thing but with an initial stroke that's exactly like the letters of M and N. See how we practice the letter M? It's going to be the same thing. It's going to be a bit angular but not, it's a bit angular but not too sharp. Okay, so let's practice that. U and retrace it back just like how you write the letter I. It's just a combination of the first part of M and the second part as I. That's all. That's all the letter U is about. So retrace it, bring it back, and make sure that the U is not straight. So when you write U straight, it goes like this. So your handwriting turns upright. You won't get that right slant. See, when you write the letter U's, you need that right slant. So for that, make sure you bring the line back to the baseline towards the left. So let's practice the letter U and then move it up, maintain the distance and then retrace it back to the baseline. So I hope you got how to write the letter U. So let's practice it again. So this letter U is important. You need to learn this important because you will be learning other letters like W and V based on the letter U. So when you learn to write U correctly, the other letters are extremely easy. Okay, so that's how you write the letter U. And shall we practice it continuously? Then make another angle on top. So this is for you to have a clear picture of where the letter is. Because when we constantly write U, see, this is what we practice. This is not the letter U. This is not the cursive letter U being connected. We do not usually connect U and U together, but still for a practice and identification of U, you need to practice it continuously so that you don't get confused. And one more important error, what I find in the letter U is some of them write it like this. So the first error over here is the space, excess space, and the angle. Can you see it goes to the right? It doesn't give the right slant look and some space here without retracing. Okay, and also the width, it's too wide. So let me just show you again. So please take time while practicing all these letters. If you have any doubts regarding the letter U or the letter M and N, that's what we've been practicing for the last 2 days. So if you have any doubt, you can comment. I will tell you what can be done, or you can reach out to me. I'll just check where you're going wrong, why you're not able to form the letter properly. So parents and teachers, you need to correct your writing. You need to form these letters properly so that children will learn easily from you all. Okay, so let's practice this again. The right slant is extremely important. That's what cursive is about. Okay, so I will be explaining y'all why right slant for cursive writing. Why not upright? Why not left? So why not the mix of all these? So I'll be uploading a video explaining all this. Until then, keep practicing all the alphabets that we did right from the beginning. So I hope you all remember those alphabets. So constantly check whether you're writing those alphabets correctly. In case if you feel like it's not up to the mark, you can go back to the playlist and check whether the letter you are writing is right or wrong. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.